guys, and welcome to my product review of the Archos Arnova 7G2. Yes, Android 2.3 Gingerbread, and yeah, I'm just gonna unbox it. Here's the box, pretty nice. Here's the Archos itself, and there are some main metals and other stuff drivers. Okay, here it is. The Archos Arnova 7G2. It has a 1 GHz processor, a 7-inch touchscreen. He has a capacitive touchscreen, not a resistive, and he has a camera here. It's just a inner side camera and with just 0.3 megapixels, so it's not really a HD camera or something. Okay, I just unlock it like this, and here you have the menu. It has a kickstand right here, so you can just go like this. With its capacitive screen, it's easy to scroll around, really smooth. For example, the app's lip market stands here. Most of the time it doesn't work. It stands server error. Please check your connection. This is most because I haven't got Wi-Fi, but if I have it, if I want to download the app, it stands no space. Please try again. So that's a problem with the server. No one can actually download something in the holiday times. For example, its camera. It's really bad quality, but it can play really good movies like this one. In HD. It hasn't got the usual Android menu buttons like back and volume around here. No, it has. It's got the buttons on the top of the screen, so it's just part of the touch screen. That can be annoying too. It can play really good 3D games like Minecraft. Not bad. Because it has a HD screen, it can look around here. The photos are really good quality. So actually, I would recommend you to buy this thing. I bought it for 170 euros, around $200. Yeah, thanks for watching.